And the boy studied and studied. The wise druid told him everything he knew. Soon the boy wasn't only able to transform into a bear, but in other life forms as well. Soon the boy became a man of nature. He became a druid.